Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you add table of content on your blog. But before starting the main tutorial, I would like to let you know what are the benefits you are going to get if you add table of content on your blog site. First of all, if you add table of content on your blog site, it will improve your SEO score according to Rank Math and Yoast SEO. If you have 90+ score on your blog and you want to improve more, in that case table of content may help you a lot. Second, benefits for the user experience. When you will add a table of content on your blog, it will improve your user experience. Let's consider a user has limited amount of time. He visited to your blog and he get a beautiful table of content like this. Now what are the point he needs? Then he can simply click here and move to that point, read the blog and move to his next task. In that case, this is going to improve user experience, and as you know, a better user experience is always helpful for a WordPress site. Now the third benefits. When you will add a table of content, it will improve the looks of your blog site. Maybe you already know keeping visitor on a blog is not easy. When you will have a table of content, it will help your user experience so that they will keep their trust and they will stay on your blog site for longer time. Now let me show you how can you add a beautiful table of content without any cost. Before starting, let's move to my site. Here is the site, and right now there is no table of content after WordPress page editor. So we are going to add a beautiful table of content here. Let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, move to the WordPress dashboard. After that, click on plugin and then add new. From the search box, search with PostX and install the free version of this plugin. In the next step, move to the add-ons. After that, click on this table of content. When you will install this plugin for the first time, it will be activated automatically. Now let's say you want to hide table of content from your blog. In that case, you can simply switch off from this add-on option. I'm clicking on switched on. After that, there is no saving option. After that, I'm moving to my post. Here is the post I'm going to add table of content. From this content, as per our plan, we want to add table of content after this text block. So here I'm clicking on enter, clicking on /, then table of content, and this is our table of content comes from the plugin we just installed, that is PostX. So I'm pressing here and this is bringing a beautiful table of content automatically from the full blog. Now you can customize this design from the right side. Here is the option layout, and there is some pro option. If you want to use this advanced design, you can buy pro option. From the settings, you can customize your table of content. Let's say you want to avoid H2 on your table of content. You can simply delete it from here and it will update your table of content. Now if you want to add, then again you can click and this will update your table of content one more time. There is some options like collapse, initial collapsible, enable back to top, and other option. And if you are a premium user, you will get some more advanced options that's going to help you to improve your blog user experience. Now let's update the blog, and I am going to refresh the blog. Alright, this is our table of content from the PostX plugin, and PostX and PostX Pro plugin link is available on the description box. That's all for today's video. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to comment below.